Hello guys, the time party, we have party. Meron lang kaming party kasi yung manager namin, magre-retire siya. So, hello to my vlog. Ayan. Hi guys, ayan ang aking mga kagrupo ngayon. Pamila, my message for you. Enjoy your retirement and stay beautiful and healthy. God bless you. Mamimiss ka namin. Always miss you.
House Margarita.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's my drink. Yan ay mga drinks.
Bumo lang tayo.
Yes. Hello guys, the time party, we have party. Meron lang kaming party kasi yung manager namin, magre-retire siya. So, mag-ano lang kami, magigimik lang kami. Ito sila, isasama ko sa ano. Hi to my vlog. Yan sila. Ayan.
Ikaw din, manang lita. Picture, wait.
Hello to my vlog. Ayan. Hi guys. Ayan ang aking mga kagrupo ngayon. Ako ng permiso. Hi. Shout out to Manang Mila, Ma'am Mila, ang aming manager. Ano namin ngayon. Inom kami ngayon. Happy. Yan ang aming gang. Guys, dito kami. May house. Dito tayo sa yung house. Dito kami. May happy hours sila kasi kaya dito kami pumili. Message nyo. Sige na. Message nyo. Kay Mamila.
Huwag kang galis.
Mga message nyo. Mamila, my message for you. Enjoy your retirement and stay beautiful and healthy. God bless you. Mamimiss ka namin. Always miss you. As always. Yeah. No, woo! Your message.
Finally, ako na ang pinakamaganda sa Royal.
Yeah.
Joke. Aw, we're gonna miss you, Miss Mila.
Pati lang i-message ko lang na kanya.
Oh, yeah. Yun na yun. Silent pero meron ang alam na kasi ni Ma'am Mila. Ate Mar.
We love you, Miss Mila.
Wow!
Miss Mila, we love you. We will gonna miss you. And hope ano ka, babe? Maging masaya lang every day.
Mila, we love you.
We love you, Mila. We're gonna miss you. We're gonna miss you. Just visit us every day.
Tapos na yung message nila. Ako, member ko talaga siya kasi siya yung nag-train sa akin. Siya yung nag-train sa amin ni Eliza. So,
Magkano ng exercise sa amin?
I miss her so much. So, yan guys. May nabawas na naman ng mga sa namin.
Pag
Sa
exercise
aming
ng umaga,
family
wala
sa
daw
Royal
exercise sa umaga.
na alis na malungkot. Kasi kahapon may nag-retire. So, Manang Leonor, happy retirement din kay Manang Leonor kasi kahapon yung last day niya. Thank you so much sa mga nagmamahal sa kanya. Kay Mamila. Yun lang guys. Papa-upload yun.
House Margarita.
Ayan, thank
Ay,
you.
wala kasi wala kasi Facebook
Yeah,
natin.
that's my drink. Ayan.
Ano kayo? Nakapag-Facebook na.
Sassy! Amelia. Wow.
Ate Boomerang.
Yan ay mga drinks.
Okay, boomerang tayo. Ako mag-boomerang din. Ikaw na lang. One. Okay, wait. One, two, three.
Yes!
Pricing?
More coming guys. Marami pa. Guys. Yummy. There's more. There's more cars. You're enjoying. Dalawa. Hi guys, tapos na kami. We're done, ay ate. Yan na kami, natapos na kami, uwi na kami, lasing na kami. Ito na yung aming manager, Ma'am Mila.
Hi.
Thank you, Ma'am Mila. I
Oh my
love
God,
you.
I love you.
We miss you. Ingat ka lagi. Take
Yes,
care
we
yourself.
will. Yeah.
As you're beautiful. Take care yourself. Yeah.
Thank you, Adam ko.
Yan, guys, we're still in Waikiki. There you go.
近いのでいい。
Daming tao dito. Dito kami nag-hangout sometimes yung mga friends namin, yung grupo namin. Yan. Thank you sa mga sa mga dumating ngayon. Yan, thank you sa mga nag-join sa party ni Ma'am Mila. Nag-hangout kami dito sa your house. Yung gimik-gimik kayong sila, nandun din sila nagpapahinga. Si Ma'am Mila yung manager namin. Na siya retirement niya na, so we decided to celebrate with her, yung kami lang yung grupo namin, tapos kasama si Dita, tapos marami pa kami mga kasama. Tapos na kami guys, yun lang yung we share yung vlog ko. Thank you guys for watching, and then yun yung wish ko lang kay Ma'am Mila sa retirement niya, stay healthy and then be happy, and then more travel kasi they are travel a lot with her husband, and then yun, enjoy lang niya yung life niya na nag-retire na siya, and then wish more blessing and God bless to her. And then I wanna thank to her kasi siya yung yung nag-interview sa akin the first time na yung na-hide ako sa Royal Hawaiian. I'm so thankful. She's the one who interviewed me and Miss Lou. And then after that, my interview, she's the one who trained me to do the room, all the setup, the rooms. And then the first time that I got a problem in my work, I told her, and I'm so thankful that it's same country kasi kami, Filipino. You know, the Filipino help each other. So she helped me to come out the problem, and then although sometimes it's happen naman sa work na sometimes may pinagdadaanan ka, but she's the one who helping me, and so thankful for that. And thank you guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you, and more power, Miss Mila. I love you, we love you, we miss you guys. Bye.